Let's go on a side quest today. I'm gonna be everywhere. I'm gonna be in Irvine, LA, South Bay. Let's do it. First, the fit check. We got the Guava House tee, Eddie Bauer glasses, and then my favorite, the Doc Martin purple clogs. So our first stop is going to be here in Carson. It's a home-based coffee shop. I'm excited because it's close, it's woman-owned, and it's International Women's Month. We're gonna go support.
Goods.
So we're off to stop number 2. We're going all the way to Irvine. We're gonna go get some Oso goods. They're amazing. I made a review of them. It's already on the channel. Check them out.
I got the goodies from Oso Goods. Here. Oh my God. We're gonna go support a local business. This looks and smells amazing. It was a little bit pricey though, 17 bucks for this.
Our last stop is here in downtown LA, in the middle of all the skyscrapers. Here to see Venti Shades and his pop-up.
Cookie.